Hello, hello kids, how are you? Let us know about the rivers and their origin. Have you ever thought from where this water is coming in the river? Normally it comes from the glaciers. We are having lots of glacier. So let us start from the Tibet plateau, and that is near the Rakshastal. From here one river originates, and the name of this river which originates from here and enters into the Pakistan is our Indus River. And near to that we are having a Rakshastal is a lake. From here one more river originates, and this enters from Himachal and passes and goes to the Pakistan again. Over here, then you should know the name from where it is originating. Near to the Rakshastal, there is a Mansarovar lake. Mansarovar lake, it gives the birth to the one famous river, that is a Brahmaputra. But Brahmaputra in Tibet is not known as a Brahmaputra. Over here, this is known as a Swangpo. What is the spelling for the Swangpo? Let me tell you. T is a silent word. Swangpo. So Swangpo is the river which originates from this side, and it enters from the Arunachal Pradesh from the Namcha Barba Parvat and enters in the India from Arunachal, Assam, and from here it enters into the Bangladesh. When it enters from this side, from the Namcha Barba till India, it is known as Brahmaputra. But when it enters in the Bangladesh, it is known as Jamuna. Jamuna. It is known as Jamuna in Bangladesh. Now let us know about the other river. Like I have told you about the Satluj. Satluj river have a dam. Do you know what is dam? Dam is a multi-purpose project dams which are very useful. These are used in many ways for the irrigation, for generating electricity. So we have here Bhakra Dam and Nangal Dam, Bhakra Nangal Dam between Himachal and Punjab. And this is very important for us. And coming to the Jamuna. Yamuna is a river which originates from the Dehradun only, and the glacier from where it comes, the name of this glacier is the Yamunotri Glacier, and it passes from the Uttarakhand to UP, which is Uttar Pradesh. It passes through the Bihar and merges with other. Here one more river which is very important river, and this important river is the longest river of India, and this originates from the Gangotri glacier. As name suggests, Gangotri means Ganga will originate. So Ganga originates from here, passes like this from the Uttarakhand. It also moves from the UP and merges, and when it enters into the Bangladesh, here this Ganga is known as Padma in such place. Padma, P-A-T-M-A, Padma. This Ganga is known as Padma in Bangladesh. Coming to the other rivers, like over here, we have a Chambal river, and this Chambal river originates from the Madhya Pradesh, and the place from where it originates is Janapav. Janapav, Janapav. It originates from the Madhya Pradesh. Here, this is a Janapav. Let me draw. And you must be thinking why this is originating from the Janapav, as there is no glacier. So how? But we are having the most important plateau from where it is getting originate. It enters and joins the main river. Then coming to the Son River. Son River, it originates from the Amarkantak. Amarkantak is in again Madhya Pradesh. It originates from here Amarkantak and joins the Ganga. Here all the river, if you will notice, all the river they are falling in Bay of Bengal. This shows that the slope of the India is toward the Bay of Bengal. Whatever water is there, it will just flow toward the Bay of Bengal. But we have two such river which is flowing opposite to the slope, and these are due to the Rift Valley. They are moving with the Rift Valley of Vindhya and Satpura. So two such important rivers are which moves with the Rift Valley is Narmada. Narmada also joins here in so not joins but the originates from the Amarkantak. Amarkantak is in the Madhya Pradesh only here, and it is moving with the Vindhya range like this. And on this river we have very important dam, and that dam is a Sardar Sarovar Dam. Sardar Sarovar is over here, this dam, and this falls in the Arabian Ocean. And another one is the Tapi River. Tapi River is this originates in the Betul region. In the Betul region, Mutai is the place from where this is originating. Here this side from here, and it is moving and falling into the Arabian Sea. This area is the Arabian Sea, and this one is the Bay of Bengal. So these two rivers which falls over here, we have one more river in Rajasthan, but this is not long, it disappears somewhere here only. And this river is a Luni river, Luni, Luni river. This is the only river in Rajasthan. And coming to the most important other rivers, and like Mahanadi. Mahanadi originates from the Sihava in the Chhattisgarh region here. From the Chhattisgarh region, it originates from this side and moves with the slope, enters into the Orissa. In Orissa, from Orissa, it falls in the Bay of Bengal. Here, in this Mahanadi, we have a Hirakund Dam. We have Hirakund Dam over here. Okay, coming to the Godavari River. Godavari River is considered as the south Ganga, southern Ganga, and it originates from the this our Maharashtra. It is originating from the Maharashtra. Okay, here is the Maharashtra, and the place from where it is originating is in Nasik, Trimbak. The exact place is a Trimbak. From here, it is originating and moving further, and it enters over here and falls in the Bay of Bengal. This is a Godavari. Coming to the Krishna River. Okay, Krishna River is also very important. We have Nagarjun Sagar on the Krishna River. So Krishna River again, it is originating from the western Ghat of Maharashtra. From here it is entering into the Karnataka, moving and falling here. So over this side we have a Nagarjun Sagar. It's a dam. It's not a sagar, it's a dam, but we call it Nagarjun Sagar. And Tungbhadra River, it originates from the Karnataka and moves with the slow. And in the Tungbhadra, we have Tungbhadra Dam only. It is named after the river. Then the most important is the Kaveri River. Kaveri River again, it originates from the Karnataka of the Kodaya. Here it, when it is coming, it moves to the Tamil Nadu and enters. The dam on the Kaveri is Mettur, Mettur, Mettur. So this was the thing which I have told you about. Now let us know something more about related to the rivers. Let us know about the delta. When the river comes, it creates some of the delta. Means if the river is flowing, it brings sediments along with it. This is, suppose this is a river. You have to make a diagram on this. Make a river, and this river is bringing all the sediments. Sediments means all the particles which are here. It brings along with it, and when it is having a lots of load as a sediment, it the river started depositing everywhere, and it the river changes the path according to that. As over here, this area is created by river in a form of triangle. This is a triangular form and looking like a triangular, not exactly triangular. So this you can say that it is a delta. Okay, and delta is considered to be the most fertile and Asia's biggest delta, largest delta is in India only. And this is like that with when it gets splitted it out, the deposit which is bought by the river get deposited over here. The sediment get deposited over here, and this is Asia's biggest, and that one is a Sundarban Delta. Okay, and this is very fertile. As let me tell you about that. What is fertile land and non-fertile land? Let us suppose that you are having, I have given a seed to A and to B. The B puts the seeds in a fertile land, and B puts the seeds in infertile land. So after some days, A noticed that there are small plants coming out from the land, and B notices that the land has nothing. It is just a barren and nothing is there. So this is the difference between fertile and non-fertile land. Okay, so I have told you about this delta, fertile and non-fertile, and we know about the perennial and non-perennial river, or you may say perennial river are those river which flows throughout the year, and non-perennial, or you may say the seasonal river, are those river which flows during the season only, like whenever there is a monsoon, at that time when the water will come on the land, it will form a river, and when the cloud and everything will go, the river will also disappear. But the perennial river will never get disappear, and the reason behind it is that whenever there is a glacier will be there always, it will not go. So with the time, the glacier gets melted up, and when it is melting up, the water is converted, the glacier, the ice or the snow is converted into water. So this water turns into a river and these flows throughout the air. So this such type of river is perennial river.